Hello everybody! I hope you're all doing well. I'm back with Cooking Tools Part 1. In this video, we are going to take a look at some examples as well. So, without further ado, let's get to work. Measuring cups. Measuring cups. Example: use a measuring cup to measure milk. Measuring cup, measure. Kitchen scale or digital kitchen scale. Use a digital kitchen scale to weigh flour. Sifter. Sifter. Use a sifter to sift sugar. Sifter, sift. Frying pan. Frying pan or pan. Melt the butter in a frying pan. Whisk. Whisk. Whisk the eggs using a whisk. Whisk, whisk. Grater. Grater. Use a grater to grate cheese. Grater, grate. Peeler. Peeler. Use a peeler to peel the potatoes. Peeler, peel. Knife and cutting board or chopping board. Use a knife and a cutting board to slice the vegetables, or to cut the vegetables, or to chop the vegetables. Okay guys, I'm gonna be back with Cooking Tools Part 2. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to save this post, like it, follow us, leave a comment down below, and share it with your friends.